Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole and today we're making a creamy broccoli soup. A creamy and luscious soup base studded with broccoli florets and swirled with cheddar cheese. It's one of my favorites and it's super simple to make. As always, you'll find the full recipe in the description. Start by trimming the florets away from the stem. And split the florets into small pieces, setting aside about 3 cups. The 3 cups of broccoli florets are added to the soup after it is blended. I therefore like to cut them quite small. Trim away the woody portion of the stem and cut the stems into small pieces, along with any remaining florets. And the stems are great because they pack a lot of flavor and they cook down beautifully once that woody exterior has been removed. Next, we'll add unsalted butter to a large pot and heat until foamy. Add diced shallot and minced garlic. Sauté over low heat until soft, about 5 minutes. Add the chopped broccoli, chicken broth, oregano, and bring to a simmer. Cover and cook until very tender, 15 to 20 minutes. Remove from the heat, stir in potato flakes and Dijon mustard. And using potato flakes here helps thicken the soup while keeping it gluten-free. Next, we're going to blend this soup base, and you can either use a blender like I'm using today or an immersion blender. And blend until smooth. Return back to the same pot, add milk and the broccoli florets. Return to the stove and bring to a gentle simmer and cook until the broccoli is tender. Season to taste with salt and pepper. And adjust your thickness with more broth if needed. Stir in grated cheddar cheese and serve immediately with additional cheese. It's rich, creamy, and studded with broccoli and cheddar. You just can't beat it in the cold winter months. If you like today's recipe, you might also like my Hungarian mushroom soup, which will be coming up next. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.